It was an important day at Silverhatch Racetrack. Mr. Carburettor was coming to watch a race, but Big Chris had run out of fuel. Roary and Cece had been sent to ask Farmer Green to deliver some more.
Hey! Catch me if you can!
I can't race, Flash. I'm low on fuel.
Come on, Roary! A little race won't take up that much fuel.
Yeah, OK. Just a little one, then.
Yeah! Are you ready? Steady! See ya!
Aye, Flash! I'm catching you up now, Flash! Yes! Roary takes the lead! Catch me if you can, Flash!
Oh, chew my carrots!
Roary! Are you OK?
Oh, the winner is... Flash! The fastest rabbit in the universe!
Hello? What's going on here?
I've run out of fuel.
Oh, but Big Chris told you there was no more fuel. I'll have to get him to come and pick you up. He's gonna be so cross. Too right he will.
What did I tell you? I told you to go easy on the fuel, and what do? You waste a lot on a race with Flash. I might as well be talking backwards.
There's something else, Big Chris. We still haven't delivered your message to Farmer Green.
You're joking. Oh, no. I really don't know what's going into you two today. I'll bang your bonnets together.
Don't worry, Big Chris. I'll go over to the farm right now.
Thanks, Marsha, love.
Morning, Marsha. Nice to see you.
And you, Farmer Green. We're in a spot of trouble, I'm afraid. Mr. Carburettor's coming to watch the cars race this afternoon, but there's not a drop of fuel in any of the pumps.
Oh, don't worry, Marsha. I've got a drum of some newly made sugar beet fuel you can have. I'll bring it over now.
Oh, thank you, Farmer Green.
You should have just enough of this sugar beet fuel for this afternoon's race, Big Chris. But be careful. It's super powerful stuff.
Right, yeah, Farmer Green. And don't you worry. We'll treasure every last drop of this. That stinks, that.
Fill me up, Big Chris.
Sorry, Roary. You're going to get exactly the same amount of fuel as all the other cars.
I don't need topping up, Big Chris. I'm solar powered.
Yeah, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your lot.
Halt!
It's my turn now.
Right, you are, Drifter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you all have the same. Look after what you've got, because there's no more until tomorrow, OK?
Please.
Hey, Big Chris, me and Drifter, we ain't had our little old pre-race warm-up yet.
I suggest we have a very short warm-up so we don't waste fuel, Big Chris.
Go thinking, Drifter. Now you three best do as little as possible.
Oh, I can't sit around here twiddling my wheel pins. Oh, no! I've run out of fuel. Now, where can I get some more fuel? Hey, that sounds like Maxi. Right, Maxi, no! Flash, why are you stopping me? I nearly blew my tyres out. Oh, you don't look your usual cool self, Maxi. Why? What's the matter with me? You were going too slow. Me? Slow? Oh, impossible! Big Chris just put some very pongy sugar beet fuel in my tank. Sugar beet fuel? Sugar beets for the birds! Not for racing champions like you, Maxi. Hang on, I just had an idea. I could drain that rubbish fuel out of your tank and fill you up with my very own race winner's special mixture, if you like. Race winner? That's the one for me! Great! Wait right there. Apple juice for starters, and a squirt of oil, and some washing up liquid should do the trick. Now, to swap this for the fuel in Maxi's engine.
No! It's a green!
Yes, racing green. It's the green that makes it a winner. Just wait till Mr. Carburetor sees you go, eh? Can't stop, must help. Mamma mia! What have you done to me? Oh, was that you, Big Chris?
No, it was not. What is that noise? Where's it coming from?
It's me, Bigger Chris.
Oh, no. What have you done, Maxi? Come on, let's get you into the workshop. Who's put this lot in your tank? It should be sugar beet fuel.
It was a flash. He drained my tank and filled me up with his race winner's special mixture.
Race winner's special mixture? What did you let him do that for?
Well, you know, because I wanted to win the race, Big Chris.
Oh, no, Maxi. No race is worth cheating for, son. Look at the trouble it's caused you. It's always better to win a race fair and square.
I know. I'm sorry.
And there's no more fuel left now, so you won't be able to race this afternoon.
Oh, it's not fair.
I'm sorry, lad, but I did warn you to take it easy, didn't I, on the fuel?
Oh, Roary, I've been so stupid.
Oh, poor Maxi. We're the Silver Hatch team, and you should be racing with us.
But how can I race without fuel?
Well, I could give you some of mine. But then you won't be able to race, Roary. But Chris, if each of us gives Maxi a little bit of our sugar beet fuel, we'll all be able to race together.
Count me in.
Me too, count me in. Cracking idea, Roary. Well done, lad. I'll go and get me pump.
Thanks, Roary. Thank you, everyone.
Now remember, everybody.
Easy on the fuel.
Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Maxi soon had enough fuel to race, and he learnt what a wonderful set of friends he had. And as for Flash, well, his little trick didn't pay off. Farmer Green's sugar beet fuel was far too strong for a little skateboard.
Oh.
It was an important day at Silver Hatch. All the cars were getting ready for a big race the next day. On the starting grid, Maxi and Roary were about to run a practice lap.
Are you ready, Maxi? Are you ready to light them up, Roary?
You bet!
Oh, that sounds good to me. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go on, make me proud.
Morning, Marsha. Can I help?
What a goody.
I'm sure you can, Malcolm. I've got a very important job to do today.
Oh.
If it's a very important job, you need a very important rabbit.
Actually, you both can help. I've got to check all the barriers and gravel traps before the big race tomorrow. I have to make sure the cars will be safe if they come off the track. I'll need Big Chris's help too. Big Chris? Come in, Big Chris. Are you receiving me? Oh, no! My walkie-talkie's not working. It isn't charged up. I must have forgotten to switch the charger on before I left last night.
Do not worry, Marsha.
But I need to be in touch with Big Chris. How can I do a track check without a walkie-talkie?
I think I can help.
Yay! Roary takes the lead!
Not for long, Bambino. What's wrong, Roary? Spark plugs in his spin?
I'm fine. There's nothing wrong.
Oh, now look. This board's broken. That could be really dangerous if the wind caught it. I'll tell Big Chris. Where's my walkie-talkie? Oh, I've only gone and left it charging in my office. Oh, Flash, could you go and ask Big Chris to bring a hammer and nails, please?
Hey! Flash to the rescue!
Go on. Oh, well done, Maxi.
Never mind, Roary.
Oi, you reckless rabbit. This is a pit stop, not a skateboard park. Scoot, come on, get out, I'm working.
You can't send me away. I've got 2 important messages from Marsha. She wants you to bring, things.
What things? Was it a spanner?
No.
Oil?
No.
A screwdriver?
No.
Oh, I'll talk to her myself. Where is she? Marsha? Oh, how do you work this? Marsha? Are you receiving me? Oh, there's no answer. What was the other message?
Oh, yes. The walkie-talkie's not working.
Very funny. Well, where is she then?
Follow me.
Hiya, Marsha, love. Where's your walkie-talkie?
It's back at the Marshall post being charged up. Now...
How come? You normally charge it up overnight, love. Oh, I see. You forgot. Well, I never.
Everyone forgets things now and then.
Well, I never. Here's what I do. I get me hanky and I tie a knot in the corner. That reminds me not to forget.
Yes, very funny, Big Chris. Now, just you hammer that loose board down if you would, please.
Oh, no. Flash thought you wanted a wrench. It said something had come loose.
Ow. Flash moustache.
This is why I need my walkie-talkie.
Don't worry, Marsha. I'll send Roary and Cece. They can be your messengers today. Oh, better fetch me hammer and nails.
So, tell me who won.
I'll give you a clue. Look out for the winner's winning smile.
I wasn't far behind. Oh, are you okay, Roary? I must have swallowed a bug or something.
Roary, Cece, Marsha's waiting for you at Carburetor Corner. She needs your help.
Right away, Big Chris. Come on, Cece. Bless you.
What was that?
Was it something I said?
Oh, no, what the? Mulcom, you shouldn't climb in bins. That's very dangerous, son.
Sorry, Big Chris. Can I take these empty oil cans, please?
If you like, what are they for?
You'll have to wait and see. Oh,
Mind the paintwork.
sorry, plugger.
No problem, little buddy.
Oh.
Marsha, there's a gap in the tyre wall.
Oh, well spotted, Roary. I'll tell Big Chris. Oh, no walkie-talkie.
We'll fetch some tyres for you. Come on, Roary. Are you okay, Roary? I'm fine, Susie. Stop asking me. I don't think you are. I'll prove it then. Light 'em up. Watch out, Roary!
Roary! Oh, look at you! You're overheating. Oh, I'll call Big Chris and plug her. Oh, no walkie-talkie.
Don't worry. I'll go and get them.
Oh, Marsha, I have solved your problem. Now, if you take one can and Big Chris takes the other, you can use them as a walkie-talkie.
Well, it's a nice idea, but there's not nearly enough rope to stretch across Silverhatch. Hang on, though. You've given me an idea.
What?
Here.
Oh!
This water will help until we can fill you up properly back at the workshop.
Oh, I was so thirsty.
Help!
I don't know how to say this, Roary. I forgot to fill up your radiator with water. You must have been feeling thirsty all day. I'm so sorry.
That's okay, Big Chris.
Listen, will you promise me something? Next time there's something wrong, will you tell me?
Promise.
Testing. Marsha's walkie-talkie is working once again, so I'd just like to say, I hope you're feeling better soon, Roary.
Thanks, everyone.
Remember, speak up when you've got a problem, OK? And Marsha, if you like, I could call you at the end of every day to remind you to put your walkie-talkie on charge.
Yeah, thanks, Chris. Oh, and I could remind you to fill up Roary's radiator in future.
All right.
Although it was a day of forgetting,
You're not
it
wrong.
was actually a day to remember. Roary learned how important it was to speak up if something's not quite right. It was a very busy day at Silverhatch as everyone got ready for the safety inspector's visit.
Don't worry, Mr. Carburetor. Everything's under control. Yes. Oh, Malcolm, be a love and go and check the safety cones.
Safety codes? Right.
Big Chris, clean up any oil spills in the workshop, will you? Then find the Silverhatch safety certificate. Without that, this safety inspector could close us down.
Right you are, Marsha, love.
Tinsel! Hey, watch this!
Hey?
Whoops, I gotta go. I'll see you later, buddy.
What? Oh, Roary! The safety inspector will be here any minute, and this place is a mess.
Sorry, Marsha.
Someone needs to check the first aid kits and... where's the fire extinguisher gone? Oh!
What's all the fuss?
The safety inspector is coming, whoever she is.
To my carrots! The safety inspector's worse than Mr. Carburetor on a bad day. Oh, no. Everything has to be perfect. You better watch out, Roary.
What if the safety inspector finds something wrong with me? Well, she might stop me driving. I'm going to hide away till she's gone.
Oh, I know I put that safety certificate somewhere. Maybe it's in the workshop. Oh, what's Marsha gonna say? Where is it?
Things were better run in the good old days. Back then, things ran like clockwork.
Hi, Rusty. How are you?
Hello, Roary. I was just remembering the good old days. when cars were cars and caravans were caravans. Oh, grand times.
Tell me about them, Rusty. Rusty? Rusty?
Hey, stop it! Get off! Chris, what's my pen to
What's the matter with you? Give over, Maxi.
I don't have your safety certificate, Big Chris.
Well, I have to get it safe now. Big Chris, I told you to clean up this oil.
I'm sorry, Marsha, I'm sorry, but I'm busy looking for that safety certificate. I can't find it anywhere. It's doing me head in.
Marsha! Oh, Dinky has escaped from his field and he's on the racetrack.
Oh, that's all I need. Big Chris, clean up that oil and find that safety certificate.
Yeah. It's easier said than done, that.
Rusty? Rusty, wake up! Rusty!
Whoa! Oh, sorry, Roary. What were we saying?
I was asking you about the good old days.
Oh, yes, the good old days. Oh, I used to cruise the open roads, air in me tyres, each hill a new horizon.
Wow. I never thought about you actually going places. I just thought you were always parked here, going rusty and full of Big Chris's mess.
You're right, my lad. I'm not the caravan I used to be. Me shiny paint is faded and me curtains are all frayed. Me door is kinda broken in a wonky kind of way. I used to live the high life, the caravan to be, but now nothing happens to me. I remember the days I used to be fine. I remember the ways me wheels used to shine. But now you can see nothing happens to me.
Oh, I never knew. But you're still really useful, Rusty.
Nice of you to say so, Roary. But let's face it, I wouldn't really be missed at Silver Hatch. But shouldn't you be getting ready for the safety inspection?
No, not really. I'm just hanging around.
Oh, I see.
Dinky! Oh, Dinky! Will you get back in your field? Oh, nothing's going right. Marsha to Big Chris, are you receiving over?
Big Chris? Come in, Big
Who
Chris.
said that? Where's that coming from?
Are you there, Big Chris?
All right, walkie-talkie. Press here. What's up, Marsha, love?
Have you found that safety certificate yet?
No, but I know I put it somewhere safe when I had my tea yesterday. Over.
Oh, can't anything go right today? Oh, at last! Oh, thanks, Malcolm. Oh, no! Here comes Helly with the safety inspector.
Oh, that must be the safety inspector.
What? She's coming in, Helly? She might see me hiding from up there.
What would you be hiding for, Roary?
Oh, well, I'm hiding from the safety inspector. Flash said she might stop me driving if she doesn't like the look of me.
No, the safety inspector comes for a good reason. To make sure everything is safe for all you cars to race around the track.
Really? So I don't have to hide after all?
Oh, where's that certificate? Where have I put it?
Big Chris, have you found the safety certificate?
I don't know where I've put it. I've looked everywhere.
Marsha, this safety inspector's waiting for you. Something about a safety certificate?
We've had it! Are you sure you can't remember where you put it, Big Chris?
I'm sorry, Marsha, love, but I can't remember. I'm wrecking my brains.
I can.
Oh, well, that's it then. What did you say, Rusty?
Big Chris, what did you have for your tea last night?
Pizza. Pizza, it was Tuesday with a pepperoni topping. Oh, handsome chunks of farmhouse pepperoni. I've never tasted anything like it. It was, why? Why?
'Cause you put the safety certificate in the pizza box for safekeeping.
So I did. Well done, Rusty, me old son. Get in there. You are my eyes.
Your ears.
You are my everything.
Flesh, what's all this about you frightening Roary about the safety inspector? I think you owe him an apology.
Sorry, Roary.
Well, that's all right, Flash.
Found it. I found it. Look.
Goodness!
Oh, there's a bit of pepperoni stuck to it. Come here. Oh, hot or cold, it is beautiful.
Well, at least I can rely on Rusty to remember things. I'd better show this certificate to the inspector.
Thanks, Rusty. You saved me bacon there, son. Not to mention Silver Hatch.
And you saved me from worrying about the safety inspector too, Rusty. You see, you are useful after all.
Thanks, Roary.
The safety inspection went perfectly, and Rusty realised that Silver Hatch just wouldn't be the same without him.